children, today's video is very interesting as we are going to understand the concept of HCF. HCF होता क्या है बच्चों? H means highest, C means common and F means factor. अब HCF is also called as GCD, जहां पर G means greatest, C means common and D means divisor. Let's understand this concept with the help of example. Say we need to find out the HCF of two numbers 8 and 12. So let us understand one by one. Factor. Factor होता क्या है बच्चों? Let's say we have to find out the factors of 8. That means 8 किस किस के tables में आता है? So 8 comes in 1, it comes in 2, it comes in 4 and it comes in 8 itself. 12. Again 12 किस किस के टेबल में आता है? 12 comes in 1, it comes in 2, it comes in 3, it comes in 4, it comes in 6 and it comes in 12. इसका मतलब है 1, 2, 4 and 8 are factors of 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. Now common. So let us write the factors of 8 and 12 and then find out their common factors. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. अब हम देखते हैं कि 8 और 12 के कॉमन फैक्टर्स क्या है. 1 and 1 is common, 2 and 2 is common, 4 and 4 is common. And there is no other common factor. Highest. So the highest common factor, the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. I hope this concept of HCF is clear to you.